The Department of Defense Airlift Enhancement Program for 44 KC-10s and 50 refuelable C-5Bs will significantly increase the ability of the United States to deliver wartime payloads. The C-5 Galaxy can carry 2 M1 main battle tanks ready to fight. This giant airlifter has the flexibility to carry all of the equipment a unit will need in combat, 100% of the Army's firepower. It can carry an armored vehicle bridge launcher and the M88 tank recovery vehicle. Its cargo compartment can handle 3 light vehicles abreast. The C-5 carries all of the weapons which will be available to the Rapid Deployment Joint Task Force, and unloading operations are uncomplicated. 3 outsized CH-47 Chinook helicopters can be easily rolled into the aircraft. During tests at Fort Benning, using standard Army weapons systems and a wooden mock-up, it was determined that the 19-foot wide cargo floor is the most efficient size, allowing Army unit vehicle operators to load the C-5, then be transported with their weapon systems. Self-deployable fore and aft ramps provide drive-on, drive-off capability, a necessity during austere field operations. The test confirmed that the C-5's 19-foot cargo hold allows rapid onload and offload of outsize and oversize equipment. Even armored personnel carriers can be loaded side by side, ready for action. The short field capability is excellent. 135-ton payloads into 3,000-foot austere fields. They can leave these short fields with 50 tons aboard. The operational utility evaluation proved that the C-5 can land where no ramp space is available and taxi off the runway into various soil conditions with a CBR as low as 9. Performance and handling remained essentially the same as on pavement. This austere field flexibility in mud or sand is possible because of the high flotation landing gear. Tests were conducted up to a gross weight of 665,000 pounds, or the equivalent of carrying 2 main battle tanks and personnel. The airlifter successfully offloaded tanks, vehicles, and palletized cargo on unprepared surfaces. The C-5 cargo handling system functioned without difficulty under all of the runway conditions, even in 12 to 14 inches of snow. The area required for maneuvering is approximately the same as on pavement. Because of the size of the landing gear, soft spots having a CBR of less than 9 can also be traversed without difficulty. The C-5 is able to taxi on wet, soft soil surfaces and is capable of virtually unlimited taxi runs. The C-5 helped save an ally by delivering heavy combat equipment into Israel during the Yom Kippur War. Golda Meir was quoted as saying, "For generations to come, all will be told of the miracle of the immense planes from the United States bringing in the material that meant life to our people." The C-5's ability to offload at truck bed height eliminated the need for sophisticated cargo handling equipment. Realistic ramp angles allowed heavy combat equipment to be driven off minutes after landing. Much of the needed equipment could not have been transported in any other aircraft. During the Tet Offensive in Vietnam, tanks were unloaded using only a total ground time of 27 minutes, important because of its proximity to enemy action. The rapid offloading of troops and equipment in forward areas gives the United States a lead over any other country in the rapid deployment of firepower. Airdrop tests have demonstrated that up to 4 40,000-pound packages can be dropped in a single sequence. 312 dummies and 1,458 personnel have been dropped, demonstrating the C-5's capability to deliver large numbers of paratroopers. The Air Mobile Feasibility Study on the compatibility of the Minuteman missile with the C-5 as a launch platform indicates other capabilities which have not been utilized to date. Although the C-5 is currently certified for airdrops up to 40,000 pounds, the weight on this Minuteman missile was over 87,000 pounds. Further testing should qualify the airlifter to airdrop loads heavier than now certified. The C-5 has demonstrated to the world its superior mission performance and effectiveness in rapid worldwide deployment of massive military payloads.